All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is part 3 of foldable number 1. Excuse me. All right, for this one, first one here, we have parentheses 1 minus sine theta, close parentheses, open parentheses, times 1 plus sine theta equal to cosine squared theta. And once again, we have to, that's the other one. We have to verify each identity. All right, so for this one, pretty straightforward. What we're going to do is we're just going to distribute. So we have 1 times 1 is going to give us 1. 1 times positive sine theta is going to give us plus sine theta. Negative sine theta minus, or times 1 is going to give us a minus sine theta. And negative sine theta times positive sine theta is going to give us a negative sine squared theta. Okay. Positive sine theta minus negative sine theta would give us, subtracts to 0. So all we're left with is just 1 minus sine squared theta. And this is very similar to the one we just did up here. But instead of it being 1 minus cosine squared theta, if we were to subtract the sine squared theta here, we would have cosine squared theta is equal to 1 minus our sine squared theta. So we can say that this indeed is cosine squared theta, which indeed is equal to our cosine squared theta here. Okay, so this is verified. All right, last one on this foldable, or on this page at least. We have sine theta over cosecant theta is equal to sine squared theta. Okay, so once again, we're going to turning everything into sine and cosine. So the first one's already in sine, so we can just do sine theta. And then we have our cosecant theta, which we look on top. We see our cosecant theta is equal to 1 over the sine theta. So we're going to have 1 over sine theta. But now we have a fraction within a fraction. So a fraction within a fraction. So we can do multiply by the reciprocal, and we end up getting our sine of theta over 1, which would be the sine theta here, because we can put it over 1. And then we're going to multiply it by the reciprocal of this would be sine theta over 1, because we just take reciprocal. And we end up with sine squared theta, which indeed does equal our sine squared theta. Verified.